Dear students, last class we have seen about ionization enthalpy. What is ionization enthalpy? A quantitative measure of the tendency of an element to lose electron is given by its ionization enthalpy. It represents the energy required to remove an electron from an isolated gaseous atom. And when we see that, what is the trend, periodic trends of ionization enthalpy? Group along that means down the group. Ionization enthalpy decreases down the group. The outer electronic configuration remaining the same, the atomic size and nuclear charge increase down a group. So after each period, an inner shell containing filled orbitals add up. Due to increased number of such shells, the valence electrons are effectively shielded from the increased nuclear charge. Thus, the effect of increased nuclear charge is offset by shielding, and the ionization enthalpy decreases with increasing atomic size down the group. How does it differ in period? The nuclear charge increases in a period from left to right, but as the incoming electrons enter the same shell, which is the valency shell, they shield the valency electrons from the increased nuclear charge only to a small extent. Hence, the increased nuclear pull is not properly offset by shielding, which leads to an increase in ionization enthalpy with increasing atomic number. So if you plot a graph between ionization enthalpy and atomic number, here you could see that what happened. Down the group, ionization enthalpy decreases. It shows that atomic number. If you plot a graph between ionization enthalpy and atomic number. Look at one example. The first ionization enthalpy of the element of a second period fall in the order, that is lithium, boron, beryllium, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, fluorine, neon. Why beryllium has higher ionization enthalpy than boron? Why? Because in the same principal quantum shell, they are in same principal quantum shell, it is more difficult to remove an electron from the s orbital than from the p orbital. So del IH of beryllium, that is 1:2s2, is higher than that of boron, that is 1:2s2 2p1. Next one, oxygen has lower del IH than nitrogen and fluorine. Why? Why does it so? On account of the special stability associated with the half-filled p orbital of nitrogen 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. The del IH of nitrogen is higher than expected. The fourth electron entering a 2p orbital of oxygen will repel the other 2p electrons, and hence it will be easier to take out an electron from oxygen than from nitrogen. The 2p electrons of fluorine electronic configuration is 1s2, 2p5 are not properly shielded from the increased nuclear charge because the electrons enter the valency shell, so fluorine has a higher electron ionization enthalpy than both nitrogen and oxygen. Hence, the order of increasing ionization enthalpy is oxygen, nitrogen, fluorine. So, from general, if you plot a graph for ionization enthalpy of elements against atomic number, we find that alkali metals have the lowest and the noble gas elements have the highest ionization enthalpy in their respective period. So in other words, Every period begins with a low but ends up with a high ionization enthalpy.